I would request to the Honorable Chief Guest, Raja Yasir Humayun, Minister for Higher Education, along with the Honorable Chairman Board of Governors, Lahore University, and the Honorable Vice Chancellor, for decorating our graduates with medals. जी शीट अभी जी
अच्छा मेरे ख्याल से 2 मिनट हाँ रोल फॉर्म भी है
अब मेडल्स बस
We have following categories of awards. First category is Founders Medal, awarded to candidates with CGPA 4, provided that the candidates have passed all courses, thesis, project, practical, etc. in the first attempt without repeating a course for improvement of CGPA within prescribed time of degree. As well, no disciplinary action has been taken against the candidate by the university, and the recipients are Ms. Razia Rashid, Master of Philosophy, Islamic Studies; Ms. Reema Kiran, Master of Philosophy in Education; Ms. Rubina Shaheen, Master of Philosophy in Sociology;
सेकंड है ये थर्ड है
एक मिनट
Ms. Rubina Shaheen, Master of Philosophy in Sociology; Ms. Seher Chaudhary, Master of Philosophy in Psychology.
प्लीज आप छोड़ दें, अब इस वक्त नहीं डिस्टर्ब करें प्लीज. Now, souvenir. Now I request to the Chairman Board of Governors, Lahore University, and the Vice Chancellor kindly to present the souvenir to the Honorable Chief Guest.